Hey everybody, Will Fix here. Got another video for you today. Hopefully we'll spend 10, 15, 20 minutes together. It'll be something positive towards XRP, crypto, several other coins, and I hope it's entertaining, and I also hope it's informative. Today we're going to talk about, of course, XRP, and we're going to also talk about KASPA, K-A-S-P-A. Not Casper. Casper is another good coin, but today we're going to talk a little bit about KASPA. Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of background. Is KASPA the next big thing, exploring its potential and challenges? Blockchain has gained much emergence in 2023. It has limitations in terms of speed, scalability, and security despite the growing popularity of digital assets. So there is a proof of work blockchain that provides the quickest, most scalable, and instant confirmations for transactions. It stands out as a distinctive substitute, working to become the most secure, flexible, and quick Layer 1 POW, proof of work, cryptocurrency network. It is none other than KASPA that hopes to address these problems and establish itself as the most secure, quick Layer 1 POW cryptocurrency network. It is none other than KASPA that hopes to address these problems and establish itself as the most secure, quick, and versatile Layer 1 POW cryptocurrency network by assembling a dedicated team of developers and following a clear roadmap. This article examines the distinctive qualities of KASPA and investment potential of KASCoin and offers suggestions for network participation. We're not going to read all of this. I'm just going to go over some of this for some of you that haven't heard of KASPA. What is KASPA? KAS is a decentralized and scalable cryptocurrency. It uses a block DAG agriculture to address scalability issues in the traditional blockchain implementations. It's based on the Ghost DAG protocol, a proof of work technology that ensures secure and fast transaction processing. Ghost DAG addresses security issues in cryptocurrencies like Nakamoto consensus by enabling intricate block connections, allowing parallel blocks and enhancing system throughput without compromising security. So let's take a real quick in case you're hung up on what proof of work is, let's look at that real quick. In crypto, POW stands for proof of work and is consensus mechanism that confirms and records cryptocurrency transactions in the first consensus mechanism used, and it's the first consensus mechanism used in cryptocurrency and is known for its security. POW works by requiring miners to compete with each other to solve mathematical puzzles, and the winner adding data or transactions to the blockchain. The winner only receives rewards after other participants verify the data is valid. So you've heard of some coins have miners, some coins don't. Some coins like XRP is all minted and the ledger is created before it comes out. Others use the POW, which is kind of like Bitcoin, and KASPA kind of showed up in order to solve the problems that were noticed with blockchain technology in Bitcoin. They do a parallel. There's in regular POW, not the Ghost DAG, in regular proof of work in creation of blockchain, there's some simultaneous chains that end up two get made, and then it has a lot of trash left over it has to clean up. And what Ghost DAG does is allow multiple parallels to be done without it being destroyed. So it's able to do a lot of things really fast. Basically, that's just a simple explanation. But okay, so now let's move on to step 2 of what we're talking about with KASPA. Hey, if you find yourself needing a wallet, I use the Decent Wallet. I've used several different wallets, and this one is uncompromisingly the best. This one is easy to use. I love that I can access it with my thumbprint and open it up. That just makes it easy. It also connects Bluetooth to my phone. Then my phone menu, I use my large screen on my phone to view all of my coins. They have different trading tools in there. It's really a fantastic product. You get a discount if you use my link in the description. They gave me an affiliate link, and I believe it's the only way you can get the discount is through someone's affiliate link, whether it's mine or somebody else's. I prefer you to use mine, but I do like the security of this. It's as secure as your seed phrase, and I love the device. I don't always use that larger screen because I can use my phone better. But if you need a wallet, go ahead and pick you one up. Use my link in the description. Thanks. KASPA started off with a certain language that was written, and they looked at this newer language and decided that they wanted to switch. So that's been projected and upcoming for a while. People were excited because it's the Rust system, the rise of Rust in blockchain development. So let's look at Rust. Introduction. Blockchain technology has come a long way since the inception of Bitcoin developers. Since the inception of Bitcoin, developers are continually seeking more efficient, safe, scalable solutions for writing blockchain systems. One programming language that has stood out in recent years, promising these qualities, is Rust. Rust is systems programming language that guarantees memory safety, thread safety, and prevents segmentation faults while improving performance. These qualities make an excellent fit for blockchain development. This article will delve into why Rust has become increasingly prevalent in the blockchain sphere, supplemented with some code examples. We won't look at the code examples because we're not those people. Or I'm not, you may be. The significance of Rust in blockchain development. Why Rust? There are several factors behind its surge in popularity for blockchain projects. Let's discuss some of these critical ones. Memory safety. Memory management is one of the key challenges of developing complex systems like blockchain. Rust provides memory safety without garbage collection. This means that you can write code without worrying about memory leaks, dangling pointers, or buffer overflows, which are common issues with languages. We hate those dangling. That's fine. We hate those dangling pointers. All right, number 2, cryptocurrency performance. Concurrency and performance. Rust allows for concurrent execution, which is crucial for blockchain systems due to their decentralized nature. The language offers the speed and performance comparable to C and C++, essential for systems that demand high throughput like blockchain networks. Number 3, interoperability. Rust can be easily integrated with other languages. This characteristic makes it easy for developers to create blockchain systems and interact seamlessly with existing systems and libraries. All right, sorry for my speed bumps there. The rise of Rust in blockchain projects. Some notable blockchain projects leveraging Rust include Parity, Solana, Polkadot. Let's examine a simple Rust implementation of creating blockchain, providing insight to its appeal. That doesn't appeal to me because I don't even know what I'm looking at. All I need to know is tell me ultimately, is Rust awesome? And they're saying, man, Rust is awesome. So, except for those dangly things, you know? All right, now let's move on. So, just a little while ago, not sure of when, but it appears it hasn't been many days ago. So Rust has been on their horizon, on KASPA's horizon, going, hey, we're going to do this thing. Well, they were writing it. They were converting, the current language and rewriting everything, getting it all ready. So where are we at? Well, they've launched it somewhere. So not everywhere yet, but look at this. So I found this and I thought this is significant. This is a very significant step for them. And it doesn't say it here, but I believe Rust is also an excellent language for smart contracts. So that is another, bonus. Value added. Value added, we're switching to Rust. Value added, we're going to have smart contracts. Value added, we're going to be compliant, because they're talking about being ISO compliant. So let's look at this. KASPA full node. This is, let me go down here and read. KASPA on Rust. Welcome to the Rust-based implementation of KASPA full node and its, and I don't know how to say that. Is that ancillary libraries? This alpha release serves as a drop-in replacement to the established Golang node once the Rust rewrite is completed, introducing developers to the possibilities of Rust in the KASPA network context. We invite developers and blockchain enthusiasts to collaborate, test, and optimize our Rust implementation. Each line of code here is an opportunity to contribute to the open source blockchain movement, shaping a platform designed for scalability and speed without compromising on decentralization. Your feedback and contributions. So this is showing that they have launched right here on, what is this? This is GitHub. We're on GitHub. That they have launched this, so to speak, and we have here the ability for you to, for those of you that are code writers, to get in here and I guess start writing stuff for it. Can I do that? No. But the progress here is amazing, because this shift to Rust, wow. The other things we're waiting on. So KASPA, what have we been waiting on? Well, we've been waiting for the rewrite. We've been waiting for the testing phase, the rewrite phase to get done. That's pretty much done. And what they're doing here is launching what they have and allowing people to make contribution. That was a big step. What's the next big step? Getting bigger exchanges to be able to offer KASPA. So we got some of that coming too. So this is significant news. This is great growth. They have some KASPA running on Rust. That's big news. So I want to put a little bit together about it. Some of the positive news, okay, and a couple things that I haven't mentioned. You know how we have a 4-year halving event with Bitcoin? Well, KASPA kind of does that over every year, and that's why during the bear market, KASPA was going up. So there, I like that. I like that about it. That every year it's having some form of an event of cutback in order to create a bullish atmosphere, a supply limitation atmosphere. That's bullish, right? Next bullish thing, they're switching to the Rust system. That's positive. Second, they got GhostDAG. GhostDAG is not linear in its blockchain creation with some sideways action that creates junk in the system. It actually kind of networks. It appears to network from each block to create more blocks simultaneously. It's 100 times faster than Bitcoin. That's positive news. They're looking at adding more of the big exchanges, because they're not on every exchange. That's another growth factor. And I like coins that mine. I like the POS system, like we had just discussed. By the way, I put a questionnaire, or whatever you want to call it, in the community section of the YouTube page. I own 4 different KASPA miners. I have 4 KS3. I think one's a KS3L, one's a KS3M, but I got several miners on the F2 pool that's creating me coin every single day. Pretty exciting. I'm into it. I love it. If you're into mining, let me know in the comments. If you have a miner, let me know what you got. I find it very exciting. I've only covered KASPA a few times because I get so much attention with the XRP videos. It's kind of hard to branch out. So if this is a content that you like with KASPA, please let me know. We're going to go over one more thing. I want to show you some other coin, just a few of them that use the Rust system. They'll be very familiar to you. So I don't see a comprehensive list. I'm just going to mention these because I'm going to need to move on and get finished for today. The top 4 popular blockchains using Rust. Polkadot, you've heard of that. Solana, Elrod, Hyperledger Sawtooth. These are pretty awesome coins. KASPA can be added to that list now. And we can't leave Casper out of this, building a blockchain in Rust. The Rust programming language was invented in 2006 by Graydon Hoare, it looks like, while he worked for the Mozilla Foundation. Even though it's relatively new programming language, Rust has found a huge acceptance, especially among blockchain developers, with adoption. Much adoption has happened since the Rust Foundation was set in late 2020. Today, over 50 blockchains and blockchain frameworks are built with it or supporting it. Indeed, blockchain developers have significantly helped bring the Rust programming language to the mainstream. So there you have it with Casper. Very significant growth factors going on. They're currently have it all written in Rust, and they're testing it in Rust and allowing people to write and allowing the community to add to it in some way or fashion. I don't know all the details of that, but we read it together. Now I'm going to cover something on XRP. I do like positive news. You guys know that. If it's hollow, I don't like it. I like something with at least a little bit of backbone. I like what XRP Captain has here. Ripple's XRP likely to blow up big to $10 price following 7 years of massive accumulation. When they point out facts that you can agree with, it is true. We have had 7 years of massive accumulation, which means you have tons of people that are potential buyers of more. Then you have, you know, all the rest of the people in the world that may buy in. And anytime you start seeing a bull run, that draws more people in. So I like to see that. Hopefully we'll see a $10 price action quickly. But that was 9 hours ago that he said that. I just wanted to give that little bit of news to you. Hey, if you like this kind of content, like and subscribe. I know the XRP news there was kind of weak, but it's just something to look at. And I wanted to cover something on XRP, but we really spent a lot of time with KASPA this time. So hope you enjoyed the video. You guys have a good day.